debate on whether humans are dependent on computers or not, and I am in favor of this topic. Technology is everywhere in education. Technology is in and across the world. Whether we take it for India or foreign countries, technology, computers is everywhere. If we take it from different fields like education, teachers use smart boards to make a topic more interesting, because we all know if we see a topic or we see pictures, we are more interested rather than just listening something. So teachers do use this technology for smart boards for education, so that students are more interested in topic and get more and are better in that topics and get understand that. In fields like business also, people make presentations to show their ideas to their companions or other business companions, like to show how interesting their idea is, or to show how interesting their idea is, how should we make a plan. So, thank you.
As we know that it is used in education, but giving children computers and all that, then that is not specified that they'll use only for education. They can use it for other more topics and all that they should not use it.
See a video or we see a picture, we are more interested in that rather than just listening to a teacher what she is saying. Most students are like just sleepy and drowny, like we don't want to read it or listen to it, that's why. So like it's more good option for education.
It is fine for classrooms and all, but at home, how can you say that the children are watching the same as you want them to see?
Their parents can look after them.
Yeah, but they have to sit there for their time.
Next, from 9.
मेरे को पॉइंट को काटना.
You said that by seeing more pictures we can write more education. We can understand the concept very clear by using the technology. But that can be done by reading more books, and which will improve our reading skills also.
कोई और बोलना, किसी और को बोलना.
Next, from that,
बोलना कट नहीं कर
in
सकते.
some books, pictures are not available. Before, when technology was not there, the students used to drive in the lectures. But as technology developed, the students are more interested in study. As we know, this technology is the ultimate carrot for students. It provides all the necessary things. Most of the parents who are uneducated, the students can use the technology, right? But nowadays, most of the people are having the technology, but those who are not having, what about them? Next, from time. Next.
But what about who don't have books, right? No, that's not. Well, but and nowadays everyone is in the reach of technology. I think everybody can afford that, and books would be much costly than gadgets. Actually, gadget we have to buy it just once, but in the case of books, we have to buy it more than once, and it could be costlier if we see it over. And in books, if someone doesn't understand that, then what about them?
But those who are having the technology, some of them are also don't know how to operate it. The language is not familiar with them, but then also.
Nowadays, you can access with every language, from Hindi, English to
But
every.
then also you should know English to convert the language of anybody or
Yeah.
now it is written in English.
There is something called customer service too. There we can call and ask for a service like we don't know how to do these all things. Can you just come and just show us how to help? It's a some education videos are in English. What about those who do not know English? Please, please. No. Do you want me to say? Yes, repeat. Most educational videos are in English. So what about those who do not know proper English?
Well, I don't think so.
No, this is not saying. Yeah. Next, and continues.
Can I say one point? Can I say one more? There are some people who are educated in India.
Yes.
Okay. So, have you ever heard of YouTube?
Yes.
There are YouTubers from India.
Yes.
They don't think.
If children use YouTube, they can misuse of it.
No, there is something named called parent control. You can control with that children can have access on which things. So that's the solution for that.
They know what their children are doing from that app or something whatsoever this is, but they know what
They
their
can
children
restrict.
are. Yeah.
Why are you changing the topic? You were on the topic that children will learn from the smartphones, from the videos.
We didn't choose.
No, she just said many people are there who don't know English and they just look like no. You just said that
They don't know English and
she said that using smartphones for education and all things. She raised the point that children are not knowing don't know English. They just like their vocabulary is not that good. So that's why we just gave the point that there are YouTube there are videos in Hindi too, so that there are videos. How can you say?
You told that there are Hindi videos also. But the educational videos, proper educational videos that are there in your textbook also, some CDs are videos. That is a pure English. And what about the children who are not able to understand English? They need it.
that's what we said. There is a
But you cannot use that.
YouTube.
They cannot take phone in your schools.
Wait, so
There is home for that.
yeah, but we aren't saying that this is smartphones are not repeating color में यहाँ minus marking कर रहे हैं. और other one हम लोग बोल रहे हैं but ये तो minus में चला गया उसके भी किया. और as you said that there are Hindi videos, but we have to search a lot for a particular Hindi video which we want. But there are no such but for that there is no lots of Hindi videos. There are mostly English videos. That are
First of all, you have
next. Wait. Listen.
What next?
But we have to search a lot.
no.
No, we don't have to.
You just need to type
Next.
Yes.
A particular website. No, but no, not website.
YouTube.
Just take the topic and in Hindi only. Other work leave it on video.
After typing in Hindi, there are -2. Just because Nandini is speaking now.
Yeah.
Continuous. Next.
Using computers leads to hypermetropia,
Okay.
and this can lead to distraction.
Same point.
There are many things we don't find in computer. We have to download by connecting computer and phone. Like we don't find that.
That is also technology only. You are saying in favor.
No.
Connecting phones and PC are technology only.
But we cannot find PowerPoint 2003 in our computer. We have to download from by connecting.
So what is downloading? That is
Okay, you
technology.
need internet for doing this all. Yeah.
It's
Internet
Is
is
that thing?
And we can download it from
If you are saying that you need internet for all these things,
Yes, this will lead to distraction too. And
distraction मतलब बहुत बार आ चुका है वहाँ पे.
this will lead to wastage of time.
Wait a minute. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा ना. डॉक्यूमेंट है तो भी मैंने बोला होगा. Everyone around here is telling me internet can do
not
this.
everyone.
Yeah. At least these three told me that internet is useful, internet is there, no, we have read e-books, this, that.
चीज को नहीं
How many people can afford it?
How many people have an internet connection with a phone?
Okay.
Millions of people in India still don't have phone for 2 times. And we are talking about internet. We are talking about technology.
Can I start?
Yeah, start.
Now, first of all, Jio and Google has combined for releasing a smartphone of which is costing just 1,000 rupees. And the second point, you're talking about the connectivity of internet, right? Google is providing free internet services on every station. In fact, government has launched many Wi-Fi tower means put up many Wi-Fi towers which are providing free internet, and in some time they would be covering whole India, and it would be provided in free cost. So
You tell me, Geo, Google. What is the first thing you need to get a Geo SIM? An Aadhaar card? Your thumbprint? How many people have an Aadhaar card in India?
everyone.
Everyone, alright. So just tell me that the person that is living in our road will have an Aadhaar card. You are sure, 100% sure he will have an Aadhaar card?
Well, I think so, but see, government is releasing.
Having an Aadhaar card, you need a birth certificate. You are living in a house, you need a proof of that.
Not house. That's not compulsory.
And,
The area they live, that's required.
and moreover,
That's
you are saying that people will have internet, people will have that. Internet doesn't give you food, it doesn't give you,
well, it gives you job opportunities which will give you food.
which demands a degree.
No, not all internet jobs means online.
Just tell me,
Smartphone jobs are
Just tell
that
me.
technology
the
jobs.
below poverty line people, what job will they get? A bank accountant or a mason in a building flat?
That's not.
That's the thing.
Okay.
You're not talking about e-books.
Let me say.
Yeah, say me. You're saying me.
So, you know, Aadhaar card, everybody is aware of that. Maybe mostly below the poverty line too. Okay, government is providing 15,000 rupees as per that TOI news. 15,000 per month by government for just giving information about Aadhaar card, and in fact they are training for that. So you get money, you get food.
And what is the percentage of people who have got the benefit of that thing?
Well, that depends on you. You should go to government and get.
How many people are capable of giving education to their children? You are talking about e-books.
We are changing the topic.
I'm not changing the topic. I'm giving you justification of every point you have saying this. You are saying we have e-books. E-books are, we cannot use
I didn't say
e-books.
that.
What did I say? I said I'm giving justification of every sentence here. I'm saying that you said we have e-books. You said we have schools with this technology and all that. But
First of all,
people don't even are so orthodox that they won't even let their girls out of their houses. What can we do for
no.
them?
The mentality has changed by time. Don't you know that?
How much is that changed? How much has it changed? How
Too much.
There's still villages, even if you give them internet, how much will they be able to use it? You are giving them YouTube videos, but do they know how to start a YouTube? Now don't tell me every person does.
Government is spreading awareness for that. Spreading awareness in every village, in the every area. They can go.
Stop. Very good.
So a family member who is so far towards, we can use technology. So we can say that humans are dependent on technology for various uses.
Okay, now but if they don't have technology like phones and computers,
So they can go to cyber cafes.
if cyber cafes, we can search crimes on cyber cafe. Do you agree with that?
But some cyber cafes have security guard. They do not let them do anything wrong.
Wrong, I'm not saying that any person that goes into cyber cafe is doing anything wrong, but he can
hack any personal thing.
But there are CCTV cameras there.
But from their homes.
You just told me that if they don't have phone or anything. So if they don't have phone or anything, they go for cyber cafe. So why they went to cyber cafe if they have phones and laptops at their homes?
Stop. Isha.
A question from all of you. Who made computer? Who made computer? Who is JL parent?
अरे but इसके साथ
Wait a minute. Who is JL parent? He is human or not? He has human. He has brain. So I want to say that.
This is not a topic.
I
This is your
want to say that our brain can do anything, but computer can't do.
Person is capable of that.
You are saying that the increasing of technology are useful for us. In school, there are smart boards. Okay. So what about teachers? We should thank them, no?
Right?
If there is no teacher,
आप vocabulary देखो, band scripture को,
A bank joint current.
we use teacher also. And smart board also.
Smart board चलाने के लिए टीचर चाहिए.
हाँ, वो तो नहीं in first area, there will be network or not?
चाहिए ना.
Then what we will do?
आपके पास ऐसे